Hi viewers, welcome to Chana Creators. Namma Metro. It means Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited Recruitment 2021. They have released great opportunity for engineering candidates. BMRCL has looking for young and talented person to recruit Chief Engineering, Chief Electrical Engineer, General Manager, Deputy General Manager and other vacancies. In these all posters, only vacancies have only 6. So, in this criteria, so what are the post and when we have to submit the application to the official address and how we have to apply and everything we will come to know step by step in this video. Okay. Metro Rail Eligibility Criteria 2021 education qualification is they must have complete degree in electrical, electronics and communication in engineering. Coming to the experience part, applicant should have minimum 3 years experience in handling large value procurement tenders for S&T works. Those who are applying for this for BMRCL recruitment 2021, candidates should submit their applications through proper channel as per enclosed. They have to submit their application through not online, offline. In the sense, they have to enclose their details to concerned address. Applications should post or courier to General Manager, HR and Taxation, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited, 3rd floor, BMTC Complex, KH Road, Shantinagar, Bengaluru, 560027 on before 22nd March 2021. The eligible candidates can apply for Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited for Chief Engineering Manager DGM recruitment as mentioned as below. Here I have mentioned step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So here at the step 5 I have mentioned. So you can go through that, then you can start applying. You can start downloading the application form in PDF manner. Listen carefully. Step 1. First of all, go through the BMRCL recruitment notification 2021. So read carefully and fulfill the eligibility criteria. Recruitment link is given below. Candidates, those who are applying, the second process, please write down your email ID, phone numbers, your communication details and ID proofs, A's and qualification, educational qualification and recent passports, photographs and resume. If they are having any experience also, they can mention in that. Step 3. Download the application from above the link or from official notification and fill the form in a prescribed format. Step 4. Pay the application fees as per your category. So, how we have to download the application from official notification in the sense, so I have given the link in last slide. So, please go through that link, then you can upload the PDF form, a PDF application form. After completing all the 4 steps, so you have to cross verify what are the details you have enclosed that application. Okay, and the 6th process is everything it is attested and to the application. So please enclose that application and courier or post to the concerned address. Number of vacancies 6. The post name is Engineering 1, Chief Electrical Engineering 1, General Manager 1, Deputy General Manager 1, General Manager 1 and General Manager in Store Departments 1. So, they must have to complete degree in engineering from any recognized university. So, EC or Electrical and Communication Engineering. So for the post chief engineering and chief electrical engineer and general managing rolling stock and maintenance department, they should have complete age limit for them below 50 years. For the post of deputy general manager and general manager in stores and S&T rolling stock maintenance department, they should have complete their age below 45 years. Post wise salaries will be for chief electrical engineering, general manager, so they'll be having a salary per month 51,300 to 73,000. Deputy general manager in rolling stock and maintenance, general manager S&T, general manager stores department, for these three categories they are giving salary per month 29,100 to 54,500. How we have to download the application means we need to go official website, that is www.bmrcl.com recruitment 2021, or we need to type on the Chrome BMRCL 2021 notification. There you will get home page of BMRCL Namma Metro. There you can scroll down. There you will get download the application in PDF. Okay, then after we have to complete or fill up our personal info, then attested our signature and experience certificates. So we need to enclose all those things. We need to post our courier to concerned address. Thanks for watching BMRCL Recruitment 2021. So please don't miss this opportunity. So here we are staying in Bangalore. Don't lose this opportunity to work in BMRCL.